confirming this is your channel messages for all my Aries placements. Swati did it. She did it. She did it. We did it, Swati. We did it. Okay. We may not have done it with the meal that she was promoting. What was it? The Swati meal. But we did it again, Swati. We did it, Aries. Right. We're using our heads. Okay. So let's go ahead and go into your channel messages. Aries. Let's go. Oh shit. I gotta make sure I don't cause a fire, even though I want to see the firefighter. I can't cause a fire. We got the enemy. Jesus Christ, what is this? So yeah, bitches are bling bling bling. Bitches are mad. Okay, so I'm guessing bitches are mad. All right, whether this is because of your new look, your new image, or you're back on the scene again. They don't like this. The chariot. Oh, the police. Okay, I'm also getting the ambulance or first response. I'm also getting, for some reason, the police is your enemy. Or maybe somebody wants you to hate the police. For the police, I don't know. All right, I'm getting that the police does not like you. Are you psychic? Huh? Are you a fucking terror reader? That may be the reason why. And we have a Scorpio. So I'm getting the police officer is a Scorpio. They could be a Cancer as well. Okay, so I'm getting that's why you're getting such a hard time, or you're getting pushback, or you're getting blocked. It's because of the police. Okay, maybe it's because who you was with, all right, or who you affiliated with in the past. Okay, or maybe because of your hot body, your very fluent mouth, and I don't know, you just that bitch. The police probably think you're a prostitute, but prostitution is illegal. Ask the fucking politicians if prostitution is illegal. They'll tell you it's not. Okay, when they legalize drugs before they legalize prostitution, we don't give up. Yeah, the judgment card, exactly. They want to penalize you for doing the same thing everybody else do, but because it's you, they must try to pick on you. Well, we don't give a fuck if you're trying to pick on us. We gonna still be that. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Oh, I'm getting they want to work with you. That's the issue.